As you can see, the seal under my door is worn and broken. I'll be replacing it with a Denny U-shaped vinyl slide-on under door seal. I decided on this brand because it has a tight fit and does not require any screws. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to give us a like, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. This is definitely broken. It's bad enough that air can get under here, but so can bugs. My wife hates bugs. I definitely need to replace it. I'll show you how to replace it with a new one. First, I need to remove the door. This one is stapled on. I'll need to remove the staples to get it off. A chisel works pretty good for the stubborn staples. Okay, now this new Weatherstrip will clip on the bottom of the door. It's tight because it doesn't require any screws, and will hold itself on. Now just cut the top to the right length. Now that you have the new Weatherstrip secure, put the door back on its hinges. And that's it. You're all done. We're adding more videos every week. The best way to keep up with our new videos is to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for taking the time to watch this one. I look forward to sharing more videos with you in the future.